Hi there. In Google Search Lab experiments, there is now an element called Ask for Me. Ask for Me is a way for Google to make calls to local businesses on your behalf to try to find the best options for services that you want. This is definitely an experiment. If you go to Google Search Labs and you can sign up for the waitlist, and once the waitlist allows you to have access, you can then click Try It Out. We're going to click on Try It Out. You're going to click on Try It Out. You're going to see the different kinds of services that you can have Google call for you. In this particular case, we're going to ask for information about car detailing. We're then going to ask for car detailing near us. Now you're going to scroll down near the middle of the page, and what you're going to see right at the fold is you're going to see audio overviews. You're also going to see Ask for Me. We're going to click on it. We're going to click on one of the elements we may be interested in. We will then indicate where you want to receive updates. We are then going to click Next. We will choose our location and then click Next. You will see then that you will have a request summary, and you will then click Submit. And what will happen is that once you have chosen the specific service and you are working with Ask for Me, Google will call different services. It'll give you pricing and details on the specific service and return the information to you at the designated place. So in this particular case, we have designated that we want to have SMS and email, so that information will be sent to us at that location, and you will receive an email. In this particular case, we have an email stating that Google did make calls on our behalf and did get pricing on these individual services. So you can use Google Ask for Me in order to make calls on your behalf and to get pricing on specific services in search in your local area. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.